Carl is back at it again. So in the last video, I showed you his fantastic phone holder, and I also teased his newest product. I actually had it in the video if you paid attention, and I actually showed you a little clip of the Etsy listing. And trust me, this won't be the last time you hear from Carl's 3D Creations. Well, here it is, full in the flesh, right on the screen for you. What you see here is his custom ST cup holder risers. I have two pre-release models here, one that's black with a red ST logo and one that's red with a black ST logo. These prototypes here were sent to me along with the phone holder, so as you can tell, I've had them for a pretty significant amount of time. And I can honestly say they really help to set the interior off in a really cool way and provide that great functionality that you're looking for in the cup holder risers for the ST. The risers featured in this video are for 2015 and up Focus ST models only. Carl is working on a cup holder riser for the pre-facelifted Focus ST models, and of course I'll let you guys know when those are ready. In the comment section, I'll put a link in the description, and if you follow me on Instagram, I'll also let you know on there as well. Now, if you haven't noticed, the cup holders in the Focus ST are actually really incredibly deep, and they have these little padding things on the side of them that are also pretty thick as well. This makes getting cups from fast food places like Taco Bell, Baja Blast. When you get the small version of those cups, it doesn't particularly sit well in the cup holder. So to help with that, the car actually does come with these stock cup holder risers. They're pretty flimsy, they're plastic, and in my opinion, they're pretty ugly. And I didn't particularly like the way they looked when I first got the car, and I didn't really realize it, but I just kind of took them out and never used them because I didn't like the way that they looked. Carl's version of the cup holder risers are basically the same dimension as the ones that come stock, so they work really well, they get the job done. But they're made of PETG plastic, so they're not a flimsy rubber material, and they look great, obviously. Now, these cup holders can be bought from Carl's Etsy page, link of course is in the description. They can be ordered basically in any way you want them to, any colorway, as long as the color option is there in the drop-down menu. You can get ST, RS, or even custom lettering, and prices start at 20 bucks and range differently depending on the options that you pick. And I have to say, his friend Kate from Kate's Custom Creations, who also has an awesome Etsy page, tons of products on her Etsy page. She's creating a badge overlay for these cup holder risers exclusively. Of course, when that product is available, I will put links in the description. I will let you guys know on Instagram as well. I honestly just bookmark both their pages because they're going to be coming out with some really fantastic stuff. Both their Etsy pages are great, in my opinion. Now, here's one thing to keep in mind though with these cup holder risers. There are kind of two different ways you can put them into the cup holder. Now, they kind of only really fit one way, but with the ST lettering, you can actually put them in opposite ways and have the ST facing upward or upside down in a way instead of facing backward. And I'm a little slow and I didn't really catch up onto this at first until I did. It did take a minute and I can't lie. So when I first got the products, I put the red ones in the correct way, not knowing that that was the correct way. So the ST was facing right side up. It was facing me. It looked like it said ST. Somehow when I tried the black ones, I put them in the opposite way. So the ST was facing forward. And I was thinking they were two different designs. They are not. If you put the cup holder risers in the cup holder and the ST is facing upward, or if you think it's looking like it's upside down, just switch them around. It'll be right side up. Now for these, I honestly have no complaints whatsoever. I've been using them for like a month now. It's been almost a month since I put out the other video. They work exactly as intended, and I don't foresee washing them being a problem in the future because it's plastic. Just kind of scrub it, get the stickiness off. If you got some stickiness down there, it should be pretty easy to wash. And the look of them is just so nice. It really is nice when I get inside my car, I take my phone out of my pocket, I plug it into the car, I put the phone in that beautiful phone riser that he gave to me, and then I look down in the corner of my eye, I see these red cup holder risers with the black ST logo on them. Oh, it just works so well. It matches so well with the red scheme on the outside of my vehicle with a little hint of red in the inside now with his cool products. And then on, I take my wallet, which is kind of a fake Ridge wallet, but I really love it. I put it inside the cup holder and it just everything looks so nice just sitting right there in the cup holder. It's all in place and it's all in a position to where I can easily reach for it when I need it. So if you're interested, please hit up Carl's Etsy page. Please hit up Kate's Etsy page too. Check out some of her stuff. And these are both members of the ST community. So you're not buying a product from a person that's just kind of making these things. These are actual ST owners creating products for the community. So it's really important to me if you support actual ST owners doing their thing. So hit up the link in the description, get these cup holder risers, get the phone holder, and you're going to enjoy every bit of it. And of course, come back to the channel. I will keep you guys posted on all the new products that Carl's releasing. He has some great stuff in the works.